epithet, if you will, of hatred. I don't know how much more proof. It's very disheartening. And at this juncture, it almost just, well, it's not almost, it just shows the privilege once again. Once again, he's protected in federal custody. Once again, they got to decide which jail he would be remanded to, which is now federal. Once again, he's having a retreat, if you will. And it could go on forever. He's a young man. I don't expect that he'll, it's not like he's 70, 80. So it's a little disappointing with that regard. And for my family's sake, I wanted them to have closure. I can't imagine. I'm just a niece and a cousin. I can't imagine this is somebody's mom. This was somebody's dad. So to never have closure and to always be in this circus is exhausting and exasperating and disheartening.
Do you feel he's being protected by the federal government?
I do feel that he's still protected.
Why do you
Once
feel
again,
that?
his privilege is shining forth. Well, he got to decide, we're going to remand him in federal custody. No, he should have stayed right where he was. And he should follow the process just like any other criminal.
What was the reason why they chose to pursue the death penalty that they...
Well, there was a myriad of what they said, a myriad of things that decided, but ultimately the Attorney General, made the decision. So there were a lot of things that they said fell into that, families' opinions, evidence, etc. But there's a lot of long next steps, and that wraps up my exasperation, in a nutshell, because this could go on forever. He could have so many appeals. It's just like, I don't know, you be a criminal and you get to pick and decide what you want to happen to you if you're of the right color, I guess. Because conversely, I don't see that happening for everybody.
Have you thought about what Marcus would think about this?
I don't know. I don't know what he would think. And I don't even want to be presumptuous to have my opinion speak for him. His blood speaks for him.
What's your sense of, the families as a whole? What direction did they want to see this go?
I can't speak for the families as a whole, but certainly they can't bring their loved ones back. But we would like to see justice served to the point where that he would at least have some thought, some time to think and process what he did. And I just don't see that happening.
Do you feel almost he has more sense of closure than